Get in here, loser.
No, stop!
Come on.
Ow! Stop!
I hate you, nerd.
Why do you hate me so much?
Because you think you're so smart. Oh,
Hey, hello? Hello, is anyone there?
hello?
Hello, anybody there? Hello? Help! Hello?
It's your fault we got stuck in here in the first place.
My fault. You're the one who pushed me in here.
Your fault.
It's your fault.
It's your fault.
It's your fault.
It's your fault. Oh my god, a spider! Ah! Ew! Got it. If you weren't such a nerd, I wouldn't have to push you in here.
That doesn't make any sense. Every day you bully me.
You don't always have it bad.
I'm sorry, I didn't know it was bad for you too.
I'm sorry for bullying you. How do we get out of here?
I don't know, there's no way out. I'm really thirsty. Do you have any water?
Hey! Water! Bottoms up!
It's 9 o'clock on a Saturday. The regular crowd shuffles in. There's an old man sitting next to me.